Hi YouTube, Tim Eckert here. In this video, we are going to evaluate composite functions. Let's look at problem 1. It says, given that the function f of x is defined by f of x equals 2x plus 3, and that the function g of x is defined by g of x equals 3x minus 1, evaluate, and this is how we're going to read this, f of g of 3. So what we need to do is we need to first find g of 3. So let's do that. So g of 3, well, for x, we're going to put in 3. It's going to be 3 times 3 minus 1. So 9 minus 1, which is 8. So g of 3 equals 8. So what we're really evaluating is f of 8. Okay? So we're going to find f of 8. All right. So f of x is 2x plus 3. So we're going to do 2 times 8 plus 3. All right. So 2 times 8, that's going to be 16. So this is going to be 16 plus 3. So our solution is going to be 19. Here. That's f of g of 3. Okay, let's look at a few more. In problem 2, we've got the function h of x that's defined by negative 8x plus 1. And the function f of x, which is defined by f of x equals 4x minus 2. We're going to evaluate f of h of 5. So let's find h of 5 first. So h of 5 is going to be negative 8 times 5 plus 1. Negative 8 times 5 is negative 40. So it's going to be negative 40 plus 1, which is going to equal negative 39. All right, so now we want to find f of negative 39. So we're going to just put in that h of 5 value, which is negative 39. It's going to be 4 times negative 39 minus 2. Okay, so 4 times negative 39 is negative 156. And then we're going to subtract 2. And that's going to be negative 158. All right, so our solution here is going to be negative 158 for the second one. All right, let's keep going. In our third problem here, we've got a little bit different notation. I'll explain that in a minute. So it says, given the function g of x is defined by g of x equals 7x minus 1, and then the function h of x is defined by h of x equals negative 2x, evaluate, and this is the way we're going to read it, h of g of negative 1. This is the same as h of g of negative 1 written like this. Okay, it's just a different way of writing it. So first off, we'll find g of negative 1. That's going to be 7 times negative 1 minus 1. So that's going to be negative 7 minus 1. It's going to be negative 8. Okay, so now we want to find h of negative 8. So I'm going to fill in my g of negative 1 value, which is negative 8. Okay, and this is going to equal negative 2 times negative 8, which is positive 16. For my solution for this one. All right, let's try one more. All right, problem 4. Given that the function f of x is defined by f of x equals negative x plus 3, and that the function h of x is defined by h of x equals 1/3 x minus 1, what is f of h of negative 2? Okay, so first off, we want to find h of negative 2. So that's going to be 1/3 times negative 2 minus 1. Okay, so that's negative 2/3 minus, I'm going to rewrite this 1 as 3/3, which we can do. That way we can combine our fractions easier. So negative 2/3 minus 3/3 is negative 5/3. Three's a little off there. Hold on one sec. All right. So now we want to find f of negative 5/3. That's going to be negative plus 3. All right, so I'm going to now fill in. So it's negative 5/3 here. All right, a negative of 5/3 is positive 5/3. I can change 3 to 9/3, so I'm going to add plus 9/3. And that's going to equal 14/3, which is my solution. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks.